Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Madam Excellence here. So today I'll be showing you how I made this good looking delicious jollof rice, a Nigerian jollof rice. Stick around, I'll show you how. If you're new, you're welcome. Please feel free to like and subscribe. If you're returning, thank you. So for the ingredients, we need fresh tomatoes. For this I use 2, and bell peppers, onions, Thai chili, habanero peppers, garlic, and then onions. Did I mention onions before? And then our chicken, my chicken is already washed. And then our spices, curry, thyme, onion powder, parsley, and all the rest. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna say it when we get down in the video. So go ahead and chop up your peppers. You're gonna be blending this pepper, bell peppers, and particularly we would be using red. I would advise you use red because you want your jollof rice to be bright red. You know, we call this jollof rice in Nigeria. Basically it's just rice in fresh tomatoes and tomato sauce, but fully seasoned. It's so delicious, guys. It is super delicious. If you've never had jollof rice before, it is so delicious. Go ahead and chop up your tomatoes. I will be marinating the chicken right now. Add your stock cubes, knorr cubes, and onions, and all your spices. For my chicken, I washed it with cooking vinegar, salt, and lemon. I soaked it in cold water, soaked it for about 15 minutes, allow all this yuckiness to be out, and then I peeled off the skin. So now it's just without the skin. So I added my curry and paprika pepper and a bit of salt, and then my Maggi cubes, my stock cubes, chicken seasoning, and then give it a good stir. And then we're going to be adding some water, and then we're going to be cooking it for about till the chicken is properly cooked. And then we are blending our vegetables right away. And by the way, I added some green onions. That's totally optional. And that's what we're going to be using for jollof rice. And right ahead, our chicken is cooked, drained from the stock, and then we are frying it till it's golden brown. It's gonna be dried and golden brown. Without the skin, it gets fried very well. And then in a big pan, we are heating up our oil. We are using parboiled rice already. Like, it's just fresh washed and it's parboiled. It's already parboiled from the bag, so we just pour it in here. Put in your onions. Let the onions sweat a bit. And then we are going to be pouring in our blended tomatoes and peppers. Give it a good stir. If you like the video so far, please subscribe and like this video, and you can share it with your friends and family. Thank you. And then when our tomato is stirred properly and is cooked for about 2 minutes, we pour in a tomato puree, like tin tomatoes. If you have tin tomatoes, pour it in and cover it on medium heat let it boil. We want all the sour taste to be gone. And then our spices, onion powder, parsley, thyme, curry, bay leaves, everything in there. And then we're putting in our stock cubes. Yeah, this stock cubes is pretty difficult to unravel. So I want stock cubes, pour it in. Give it a good stir. Look at how that stew looks. It looks so good. It smells so good, guys. It smells so good. And then we're adding salt. We're going to be adding salt because our rice is going to go in pretty soon, so you're going to add salt. And then we're just going to pour in our meat stock, a chicken stock. Just guys, eyeball this chicken stock. Just gauge it depending on the cup of rice you have. Let it just be slightly above your rice when you put in your rice. Just slightly, because we want our rice to be crispy. Then you cover it, let it boil, come to a boil. And then you pour in your washed rice. It's not cooked, it's washed. Just washed, and then you pour it in, drain the water, and then pour it in. Yeah, I'm cooking for a large family, so it's a lot. And then you see the water just slightly above your rice, and cook it on medium heat because it's going to start burning. There you go, guys. You see the rice, crispy, and it's already soft but not soggy. And then there you go. That's our jollof rice, Nigerian jollof rice. It smells so good. This rice, you're going to enjoy it. Give this video a thumbs up, share this video, kindly subscribe. I have other videos, you can check them out. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye.